All right, today we're going to talk about a platform that's, well, it's basically the digital workshop where the future gets built, one line of code at a time. We are talking about GitHub.
So let's just start with a huge question, right? How in the world do you get over 100 million developers, people scattered all over the globe, in every time zone imaginable, to work together on some of the most complicated projects in existence? We're talking everything from the OS on your phone to the AI that's changing our lives.
The answer? They use a single platform that pretty much changed the game for software development. And that platform is GitHub. So in this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it works and, more importantly, why it's become so incredibly important. Okay, so here's our game plan. First, we'll look at the sheer scale of GitHub. Then, we'll clear up that classic confusion, Git versus GitHub. After that, we'll get into the magic of pull requests, see how it's way more than just a code tool, peek into the future with AI and the cloud, and then we'll wrap it all up with why this whole thing really matters.
So first things first, let's just try to wrap our heads around how massive this thing is. It's not just another app, it's basically the central nervous system for software development across the entire planet. Just look at this number for a second. Over 370 million repositories. A repo, as it's called, is really just a project's main folder. So that means 370 million separate projects. From a student's very first website to these huge globe-spanning open source projects are all living and breathing right here. Okay, now before we go any further, we have to talk about the number one thing people get mixed up. What is the difference between Git and GitHub? They sound almost the same, but trust me, they are very different things.
So here's the breakdown. Git is the program that runs on your actual computer. It's the powerful engine that keeps track of every single change you make to your code. GitHub, on the other hand, is the website, the cloud service, that holds all those projects and then adds a whole bunch of awesome tools on top so you can work with other people.
This is probably the best analogy for it. Git is the powerful, kind of complex engine doing all the heavy lifting. But GitHub is the car. It's the thing with the steering wheel, the seats, and the dashboard that lets you actually use that engine to get somewhere and, bring your friends along for the ride. And this car didn't just pop up out of nowhere. GitHub started way back in 2008 with a really simple mission. Just make that Git engine easier for people to use. It absolutely exploded in popularity. And by 2018, it was so critical to the tech world that Microsoft bought it for a whopping $7.5 billion. Yeah, billion with a B. So we know GitHub is all about collaboration, but what does that actually look like? Well, the secret sauce, the real magic, is a process called the pull request.
Okay, think of it like you're working on a big group essay in Google Docs. Instead of just jumping in and changing the main document, you make your own copy first. That's called a branch. You do all your work on your copy, and when you think it's ready, you submit a pull request. It's basically you saying, hey team, I'm done with my changes. Can you take a look before we add them to the final version?
And a pull request is so much more than just a simple suggestion. It's this dedicated space for quality control. Your teammates can leave comments on specific lines of code, you can have automated bots run tests to make sure you didn't break anything, and you can even set up rules so that nothing gets approved without a proper review. It's collaboration and a safety net all rolled into one.
But here's the thing. Building great software isn't just about writing code. You've got to plan features, track bugs, and manage who's doing what. And yeah, GitHub has evolved to handle all of that too.
It really all starts with something called GitHub Issues. This is like the project's mission control. If a user finds a bug or you have an idea for a cool new feature, you create an issue. From there, you can label it, assign it to a developer, and organize everything into milestones. It makes the project's to-do list crystal clear for everyone. Now, to see all that work in action, you've got GitHub projects. If you've ever used something like Trello or Jira, this will feel really familiar. It's a Kanban board built right in. You can have your to-do, in progress, and done columns, and just drag your tasks from one to the next. It gives you that perfect bird's eye view of where everything stands. And this is where things get really, really powerful. GitHub Actions lets you automate pretty much anything. So imagine, every time someone suggests a change, Actions can automatically run all the tests. And when that change gets approved, Actions can automatically build the app and launch it to the world. This whole process is called CI/CD, and it's the engine that makes modern software development so fast and reliable. So GitHub is already this powerhouse platform, right?
But they are not slowing down, not at all. They're actually at the forefront of the next big shift in development, and it's all about the cloud and artificial intelligence.
First up is code spaces. This thing tackles one of the biggest pains for any developer, just getting your computer set up for a new project. With code spaces, you can open any project in a perfect, pre-configured environment that runs completely in the cloud. You can access it from a web browser on any laptop, anywhere. It's a massive game changer for just getting work done. And then there's this. GitHub is literally putting an AI assistant right beside you as you code. They call it your AI pair programmer. And its name is GitHub Copilot. It's powered by the same incredible tech behind tools like ChatGPT. As you type, it analyzes what you're doing and suggests whole lines or even entire chunks of code for you. It learns the unique style of your project to give you super relevant suggestions, and it's fundamentally changing how quickly developers can bring ideas to life.
Okay, so let's zoom out and put it all together. We've seen the massive scale, the collaborative workflow, the project management tools, and the futuristic tech. But on a global scale, why does GitHub really truly matter? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. GitHub is the undisputed home of open source. I mean, think about the most important software projects in the world. Linux, Kubernetes, AI frameworks like TensorFlow. They are all built out in the open by a global community on GitHub. It's the platform that makes that kind of worldwide innovation possible.
You know, this quote just nails it. Every piece of software, no matter how huge it becomes, starts with one person making one tiny change, a single commit. GitHub is the place where that tiny spark can be shared, built upon by others, and ultimately come to life.
So, from a small tool designed to make a command line program easier to a full-blown AI-powered platform for building the future, GitHub has totally redefined what's possible when people collaborate. It puts the power to create in the hands of millions. So really, the only question left is, what will you build next?